Look, there's nothing more important than increasing those numbers in your bank account in 2025. I don't know if you've noticed, but there's literally money floating around you. So, these 8 side hustles that I'm going to show you today just require you to have Wi-Fi, a laptop or a PC, or you couldn't even do it from your phone. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Firstly, reselling unused items. You can either use items that are within your reach at home or outsource products from garage sales, online, or thrift stores, whether you're selling clothes. And the best way you can do that is by selling these products, whatever it is that you may find, whether it's electronics or clothes or whatever it may be. You can either sell it on Facebook Marketplace, simply list them on Facebook Marketplace. You don't really have to pay for ads or anything. All you have to do is just list them on Facebook Marketplace. Or you can create an online store for it. Or you can even sell the products physically. Now, the one thing that I would recommend that you do is specialize in high demand items, whether it's vintage pieces or electronics. And then secondly, you really need to learn how to be a salesperson in order to do this. So you need to get your sales game up in order to do this. 2. AI-powered content creation. You can literally use tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to write blogs, captions, or add copy. Now, with this, you can literally sell your skill to small businesses that are starting or create ads for them. Now, another way that you could do this is by using Upskill to create short-form AI content. You can literally start posting short-form content on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Even though TikTok could be getting banned, we don't really know what could be the outcome. But those are ways that you can use AI-powered content creation. Now, another way that you can market yourself is by marketing yourself on freelance places like Fiverr. You can post on Instagram or even to close friends that you're starting to edit videos for people, but literally all you're doing is literally asking an AI to create the content for you and then you post it for them. It's as simple as that, by putting in a prompt into ChatGPT or Jasper, and then it creates those ads for you or short form content for you. And it is literally the easiest way that you can make money in 2025. 3. Social media management. Help brands grow their online presence by managing their social media accounts. Now, you could do this by scheduling content for them or analytics tracking and audience engagement. Now, what you can help them with is staying updated with content, or you can help them create captions or the best captions that could be used on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, or using hashtags. And now this is also one of the easier ways that you can make money. And now the way that you can market yourself doing this is the same thing, using Fiverr to market your skills, or creating a post on Instagram and sharing it to thousands of people. 4. Graphic designing. Now this one is for you out there that love sitting the whole day or for hours on your computer or your phone creating designs but never making it anyway. So you can literally use Canva or Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. Now doing that, you can create logos, create blogs, probably create thumbnails for people. And now once done doing that, you can start creating a portfolio of your work that you've done. Or another way that you can do it is just create designs, pile them up, and then create a portfolio. And then from there on, you can literally start emailing people, DMing people, and showing them a portfolio and asking them if you can work for them. 5. YouTube. Create content around your passion or choose a specific niche that you think you can go with. But remember, in the beginning, when you're choosing your niche, it doesn't mean that you can only go with that for the rest of your life. You can change it up whenever you feel like it, but I would recommend that going with one niche for a while and see how it does. And then if it doesn't do well, then you can change up your niche. Now, you need to learn one thing, that you need to learn how to optimize your SEO, the hashtags you use and the titles you use or the thumbnails that you use. So what you can also do with YouTube is start building a personal brand. Then, where you have numbers that are huge and people are starting to interact with your content and love you, that's when you can start selling them a digital product or creating a brand or anything of some sort that you can start earning income. Six, coaching. Offer coaching skills or a subject you could in. For example, it could be academics, fitness, or even mindset. So now the way that you do this is by using the platforms Google Meetings or Zoom or Teams. Now the one thing that you should really look forward to is creating testimonials for your next clients or getting recommendations to people coming to you for coaching lessons. And then another thing that you can do is either have one-on-one sessions or a group session where you add people all together in a Zoom call or Google Meetings call. Or what you could do is pre-record content or videos and then give them out to people that you're coaching. Seven, thumbnail editor. Study the elements of engaging thumbnails, whether it be your contrast or the way it looks, the colors on it. And now, the way that you do this is by learning how to create them in Photoshop or Canva. And there's truly a lot of sites that you can use to create thumbnails. And one that I know also is Photofee that you can also use. Now, you need to choose one niche, whether it's you're going to create thumbnails for gaming or vlogs or car content, whatever it is. And now, once you find your niche, you need to find people that you're gonna start creating thumbnails for, and you can also list your work on Fiverr. Now, what they would recommend that you're doing is try building a portfolio, and then obviously, then when someone asks you that can they see your portfolio, you can show it to them. Then you can start working with them from there on, and then offer your services to YouTubers who are huge on a high click through rate, not someone who's starting out on YouTube or a couple of thousands, because really those people aren't really gonna pay you that much. So try looking for people who can pay you for way more. Eight, website designer. You can learn website design apps or websites like WordPress, Shopify, Fiverr, and honestly, that is where I found the most joy in. And I loved creating websites, whether it was for people or it wasn't for people, but it was something that I always found joy in. And truly, if you can learn the skill, it is something that you'll truly enjoy if you like design websites. And now, one way where you can learn is YouTube. YouTube has so much resources of videos of Shopify or Wix or WordPress that you can learn from. And now the one thing that you can do is you can use your skill that you've learned and offer it to businesses or service-based businesses that are looking for modern websites or fast and quick responsive websites. Now you can search around for websites or have a list where you list them down, and websites that don't really have the best looking websites and quick responsive websites, that's when you can email them or DM those people and offer your skill to them. And that is honestly the best way that I'll do it. That is something that I love doing. And other than that, I hope that this 2025 you really make it out, because there's no better time than making it out in 2025. Other than that, you just need to pick one niche, pick one side hustle to do, whether you're in high school or even a young adult. Even if you're an adult working a 9 to 5 or a job, you can always have these side hustles because most of them are free and just require some gaining knowledge on YouTube and putting in the work. But other than that, this year is a year to make it 2025. I am wishing you guys all the best.